Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Pool Sentry automatic pool water level controller. This is a handy device that can be used whenever you're heading out of town or simply want to spend less time keeping an eye on your pool's water level. It connects directly to a standard garden hose, and then you can simply leave the water turned on. As the pool water evaporates, it automatically adds just enough water to keep the level where you set it. One of the biggest advantages is the peace of mind it provides. You don't have to worry about coming home to a pool that's too low from evaporation, which can potentially cause your pump to run dry and be damaged. At the same time, because it only adds water when it's needed, it helps prevent overfilling the pool and avoids wasting water. It works very much like the float inside a toilet tank. As the water level drops, the float opens the valve to let water in. Once the pool reaches the correct level again, it shuts the water back off automatically. It's a really simple design, but it works well. Setup is easy. The cover comes off and you can place a few rocks inside to help weigh it down so it stays in place. It also has adjustable leveling feet that screw in and out, letting you line it up with the edge of your pool so it sits nice and level. The water level is adjustable too. Just turn the adjustment here to raise or lower the float so you can dial in exactly where you want the water level to sit along your tile line. There's nothing fancy or digital here, just a simple mechanical float. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain your pool's water level while help protecting your pump, prevent overfilling, conserve water, and give yourself a little extra peace of mind, this is definitely worth a look. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.